My name's Gaius Thompson, and today is just a normal day in our life. I'm just off to the gym now to get a workout in. It's a pull day today, so it's basically back and biceps. And then we haven't really got any work at the moment, which is really nice because I have a little break from it. We're going to go to Jiu-Jitsu. I've been working really hard on that, and yeah, just come along for the day, man. Come hang out. Just arrived at the gym. Gym's only like 5 minutes from us, but got a nice little pull session. I've been really enjoying the gym again lately. It's been a while since I've enjoyed like lifting weights and stuff, but at the moment it feels, I don't know, maybe it's because when I came back from Paris, I felt really flat and my body felt awful, truth be told. I like having a bit of muscle. It's what I'm used to, it's what I've always been used to. So at the moment it's really nice to go in the gym and really push myself and have structure and routine, because we're going jits and we're doing gym in the morning pretty much 3-4 times a week, which is quite a lot for someone who is supposed to be a retired athlete. Yeah, man. But I just it's been feeling like it's been really getting me through some tough feelings that I've been experiencing lately, and it's just been helping boost my mood, like we all know that the gym does. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go and get after it. See you later. That's the gym session done. It's actually a really nice session. As you see, it's a lot of pulls, a lot of biceps, a lot of back. If anyone has any advice on certain exercises that I'm doing, I know that I'm not like the fucking bee's knees at it, so if you have any advice, feel free to give me some. Don't be mean, there's no need to take the mick out of me if I'm doing something wrong. If I am, just give me a heads up, alright? Don't take the piss. We can do these things nicely. You are filthy. But yeah, that felt like a big step for me, filming in the gym, because I ain't done that. It's a public gym, and that honestly scares the shit out of me. Sesh, we're on our way home. I'm gonna go home now. I've got to actually rush a little bit because I forgot that I have like a consultation / connection call with a few therapists today. I am in fact booking myself back in for therapy. I'm being honest that I feel like shit at the moment. But yeah, I'm gonna go home. So I will catch up with you when we're there. Yeah, I need to eat and I need to talk to these people, but eating's a massive priority. I haven't eaten enough in the last couple of days, and also we got jits later, so I'm gonna have to consume some food. There's my pooch! See right through you anyhow. You get your octopus. You get it. Chicken and ice, lad. It's not the most extravagant meal, but we need food.
And I come upstairs and upstairs the gym as well. I can't keep on top of it. I know it's so hard.
That is in fact quite difficult.
I want the fun, my friend.
Yours was pretty nice.
Thank you.
So we're gonna go do some spin jitsu. But the trouble is, it's a gym. It's fucking freezing.
It's so good. It's like a freezer.
There's no heating, no central heating or anything.
Freezer.
Yesterday we were doing some little drills and stuff, and it looked like I had. How's it pronounced? Is it Reynolds?
Reynolds, yeah.
Reynolds. It looked like I had Reynolds.
I actually do have Reynolds.
Yeah, you do.
But then here you got the yellow toe.
It is, what is it, like 4:30 now? We're just on our way to Jiu-Jitsu now. Yeah, I've been putting a lot of work in the Jiu-Jitsu gym lately. I've been on the grind, as one would say. But in all seriousness, we've been putting shift in with jits. We've been going a lot.
We've been
doing extra sessions and everything. Well, Molly's doing the British Open. I am simply not. I am not ready for that. But yeah. Spin Jitsu is really good. We're here, FTT, getting it done. Jiu-Jitsu. Have you? No. Yeah, I know. It's a coping mechanism for me. We're back from Jiu-Jitsu and I've got a naughty little parcel. Been struggling with this for the last couple of weeks. I keep getting smashed in the nuts. So I thought we got protection now, and I just feel like I look like a real man now. Do you know what I mean? Jits was good, man. Yeah. We had some good rolls. It's everything feels like it's because I've been going more regularly now. Things are clicking a little bit nicer, and just generally, we made a joke about this as we come in, but it just said it's wild to see progress through consistency. But that is exactly that's exactly why we're feeling better with it, because we've been going quite consistently and we've kept a routine. We've been a lot more intentional with our training.
Mommy's just like training for to get a winner and like get me a medal and just like going to win.
Oh.
It's actually the next day. We got way too tired. We got really tired. We just cooked dinner and literally went to bed. I played Switch for a little bit and that was it. But before we end this, I think it's been a while since I've actually shown this man on any of my socials. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh, hello.
Hello, my friend. Where's the camera in my face?
Because I haven't seen you in a long time, mate. Yes.
Jesus, hello, mate.
Hello, mate. Say hello to the vlog.
Jesus. Oh, hey, vlog. I wasn't expecting a camera to my face. What's on the air?
Stay here.